once again, just with a bass tutorial tonight, and I just want to teach you something about the bass, the Zuku bass. Yeah, we call it the Zuku bass. Before I go into that, there are a lot of types of Zuku styles. That is, one is South Africa, and then another one is from Congo, and then another one is from Rwanda, and then from France. Right now I'm gonna do that one, which is from Rwanda, and my friends from Rwanda, I salute you all. Yeah. So with my friend on the drums, it's just there. You see him. It's just on the drums and the E drums. We call them E drums. So tonight, so briefly, the Zuku bass are mostly like the bass. How the bass runs. It's a groove which runs with a kick. Where someone plays the kick, and then the drum, and then the whole drum kit, the hi hats, and then everything there. So the bass, the first notes go with the kick, and then the rudiments go with the hi-hat, and then the fillings go with the side rim. So when it starts playing, there is what you call the first beat, which goes like. So that is so when he plays the kick goes together with the bass like just that, and then the drummers also bring that. The other part, that's just the basic or the basics of the drum, but then the other rudiments come in with, when here the second playing, then that's gonna come in with the notes which are like, or so those have notes which come just in between, or in between the notes. So right now I'm playing kick D. I'm gonna just play something which is going to fit. Just listen to the drums, then we listen to the snare which is gonna play. So and then we hear my notes. So go. Show you, so now you've learned that the bass of Zuku goes with the bass drum, and then it goes with the side kick, the side rim, and then it goes with the hi-hat. So there are notes which just fall in the, okay, if you want to make a groove of Zuku which is very sweet and appealing to the viewers or the listeners, you just have to be so smart and creative. So you're gonna do da bum 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 bum. So let's just make some jam with so I'm going to demonstrate a little bit. This is that is the groove is so if you want to really to add some spices, some onions, some garlic in your piece, you just have to put in some rudiments like or yeah, and this is or so play. So let's just go with right. So before some of you may be wondering what I'm playing exactly. Exactly, this is what I'm playing. I'm playing one finger. I use one finger to play two strings at the same time. Like I can use the second finger to do this finger is playing one, and then it's playing four. Like so. This part of the finger that you see, this one, and then this part is going to play finger, I mean string 1 or which is my 1, and then this part is gonna play the 4. So I'll be playing like. I think you can get that. Even that's also happened to other strings. Like if I do this, so instead of doing, I think shift another finger or doing this. So just have to use one finger to play 2 notes at the same time on 2 strings. So then I can also confidently add in the other spices. So we bring the soup or the meat, and then add the onions. That was for now. So when we come back next time, we're gonna play along with the drums, and we're gonna play with the keys, and we're gonna play with everything that is gonna be part of the Zuku beat. So just gonna be a groove. So when the bassist, you have to make sure that you make switch grooves. Okay. Play something here. Okay.